Hello, and welcome to our application. I'm Chintaka, and along with my team, Sawandi, Sandali, Rasoga, Ashan, we're excited to present our project, a fully functional to-do list app. This app was built using React Native Expo and Supabase, and it allows users to manage their tasks seamlessly, with features like task creation, prioritization, and completion tracking. Let's get started. First, let's go over the app's core features, starting with the login page. We utilize Supabase for user authentication, which allows users to log in securely. After entering their email and password, they can access their personalized dashboard. Additionally, we've integrated Google Authentication, enabling users to log in with just a few taps. Once logged in, users are greeted with a content drawer that provides quick access to key features. Here, users can view their profile photo and email and easily navigate to different pages like the to-do list, profile, task categories, calendar, and the logout button. On the task categories page, users can organize their tasks into categories such as work, personal, and shopping. When adding a new task, it is automatically categorized into one of these sections based on user selection. Additionally, the calendar page allows users to select a specific date and assign tasks to that date, making it easy to schedule and manage tasks ahead of time. Users can view all tasks for a given day directly in the calendar. In the task categories page, users can also view all tasks neatly grouped by their respective categories, helping them stay organized and focused on specific areas. Once tasks are added, you can easily mark them as complete by tapping the task. You can also edit and delete tasks by selecting them individually. Additionally, we've integrated a filtering system, allowing users to sort tasks based on categories or completion status. Let's now take a closer look under the hood of our application. The project is structured into key components to keep the code modular and organized. Some of the essential files include login.js, which handles user authentication, Todo List.js for managing and displaying tasks, profile.js for user profiles, and additional components like app.tsx, account.js, addtask.js, settingscreen.js, splashscreen.js, and task categories.js. To enhance user experience, we've also implemented a custom drawer content, allowing users to easily navigate between their profile, task categories, calendar, and settings. For state management, we're leveraging React hooks like useState and useEffect to handle the dynamic aspects of the user interface. These hooks allow us to update task lists, profile information, and other elements in real time, improving interactivity. Now, focusing on the login page, we've integrated Supabase to manage user authentication. Supabase handles both traditional email password login and third-party authentication, like Google Login, offering a flexible and secure authentication system. This makes it easy for users to quickly sign in or sign up. We've configured the Supabase connection in app.tsx and manage authentication states across the app, ensuring that user data is securely stored and retrieved from Supabase's backend. Speaking of Supabase, all the app's data, including user tasks and profile images, is managed through Supabase. We use Supabase buckets to store user profile images, ensuring that each user can upload and update their profile picture seamlessly. Additionally, task data is categorized and stored in a structured format, making retrieval and updates fast and efficient. We also included an Expo image picker, which allows users to upload or update their profile pictures directly from their device's gallery or camera. This interaction with the backend is handled using async functions to ensure smooth, non-blocking updates to both the UI and Supabase. Finally, task categorization has been simplified with a task categories.js file, where users can assign tasks to categories like work, personal, and shopping. The calendar page also allows users to add tasks to specific dates. With this well-structured setup, the app efficiently handles user actions, updates, and data storage while maintaining an intuitive user experience. Throughout the development process, we encountered several challenges, particularly with integrating Supabase into our state management system. Since our app dynamically updates task data, profile images, and user information, we needed a seamless way to fetch and handle data without causing delays or interruptions in the user experience. To address this, we implemented asynchronous async functions, allowing our app to fetch data from Supabase in the background while the user continues interacting with the interface. This ensured that even when dealing with larger amounts of data, the app remained responsive and didn't freeze or slow down. Lastly, ensuring compatibility across both Android and iOS was a challenge in itself. There are subtle differences in how each platform handles layout, touch inputs, and even navigation. We frequently tested the app on both platforms, making adjustments as needed to ensure a consistent user experience. This included customizing certain UI elements and optimizing performance for each platform. By iterating through testing and adjusting, we were able to overcome these cross-platform challenges and deliver a consistent experience to all users. Testing and deployment. Throughout development, we thoroughly tested the app on both Android and iOS devices using Expo's tools, allowing us to run it on real devices and simulators with ease. However, we haven't deployed the app yet, as there are still a few features we need to implement. Once these are completed, we plan to use Expo's publishing service to prepare the app for release on both Android and iOS. This process will ensure a smooth experience across all devices when we're ready for deployment. Conclusion. In conclusion, this project was a great opportunity for us to use React Native, Expo, and Supabase to build a feature-rich to-do list app. We're proud of the functionality and performance we've achieved, but there's always room for improvement. In the future, we plan to add features like push notifications and offline mode.